Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to redeem? Start by signing into Ubisoft Connect on the platform you'll use. Make sure your email is verified so purchases and activations link correctly. Once signed in, open the Store or Games tab and choose Activate a Key or Redeem Code. That's the prompt you want. Grab your 25-character key and keep it visible. You'll paste it exactly with dashes. This first step connects the license to your Ubisoft ID, which is why accuracy matters. Now enter the key into the redemption field. Typing carefully avoids common mistakes. After entering, check any region or platform prompts. Some keys are region-locked and will require matching account settings. Click Redeem or Activate, then allow the app a moment to validate the code with Ubisoft servers. If it accepts, the game or content will appear in your library. If the activation triggers purchase confirmation, proceed to complete it. Keep notes of any on-screen reference numbers for support. Finish by locating the activated title in your Ubisoft Connect library and start installation. Monitor download settings and storage selection. Once installed, sign in and launch the game so Ubisoft servers register play entitlement. If something goes wrong, stop and check the key characters, ensure your account region matches the key, and confirm you're logged into the same Ubisoft ID used for purchase. If issues persist, contact Ubisoft support with the key and receipt. This is the single most helpful troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.